Thank you all for being here. Thanks to Social Innovation Forum for this humbling opportunity. Finding a cure for cancer, ending homelessness, saving the environment. I imagine that, like me, you care about a number of causes. Well, I have an opportunity for you to invest in all of them. And I'm so excited to tell you about the Institute for Nonprofit Practice and what we're doing to change the nonprofit landscape as we know it. Nonprofits today are charged more and more with addressing urgent social issues, but we aren't doing enough to make sure that they can succeed. Capacity building, leadership development, diversity and inclusion. These are all trendy terms, but they have real implications. We're chronically underinvesting in nonprofit leaders. Why? Because we see programs, but not the people running them. This is an endemic and pervasive problem. Over the last 20 years, less than 1% of foundation dollars has been directed to leadership development. For-profit companies know that investing in leadership impacts the bottom line. For every $5 they spend in professional development, nonprofits invest only $1. Failure to develop and diversify nonprofit talent has serious consequences. With turnover at an all-time high, loss of institutional knowledge can devastate our organizations. Only 12% of leaders are people of color. Only 23% of large organizations are run by women. As our cities become majority minority, lack of leadership diversity stifles innovation, weakens community credibility, and diminishes impact. At the Institute, we envision a world in which society's most complex problems are solved by our most talented people. We have an unprecedented opportunity to strengthen and diversify the sector. And the good news, we know how to do it. Our programs have 4 core components. Students spend a year learning business management fundamentals from practicing nonprofit executives. They apply what they learn in small groups with their peers. They reflect on their learning with a seasoned executive mentor. And students grow their networks. They practice the art of network building, and through our alumni programs, continue to expand upon their community and their reach. We're proud to be affiliated with Tisch College at Tufts, and we hold our classes in local nonprofits. Our programs are affordable, in some cases even free. Out of this rich experience emerge strong leaders with broad, diverse networks, equipped to build high-performing organizations, and they're transforming our sector. Our graduates emerge ready to set their organizations on a new path. Nearly all of them report significant improvement in management and leadership skills. Many say their salary and responsibilities increase after the program. And new networks have boosted organizational resources and impact. This is Damien. He's a student of mine. Damien's a doctor at a community health center. He is highly educated, yet he didn't have the management training and the confidence he needed to really take his career and his organization to the next level. I'm delighted to report that Damien's now the Chief Medical Officer. He and his team came to the Institute just last year, and since then, they've decreased their budget deficit, they've expanded programs for patients, and they've improved morale. And this is just one example. In Greater Boston, over the last 10 years, we've served nearly 1,000 leaders. Half of them are people of color. More than 60% of them are women. With our Boston area programs thriving, it's now time for us to take our services to the next level. Our model is simple and scalable. And we're embarking on an ambitious plan for growth over the next 2 years and seeking an investment of $3.6 million. With it, we'll double the size of our staff, expand nationally, train more leaders and offer more programs, and unleash the power of thousands of alumni. More funding, more leaders trained. It's that simple. So I'm asking you to give differently and to think audaciously. Investing in nonprofit talent is a leveraged investment. We can exponentially increase the value of your dollar. At the Institute, we're developing and attracting a talent pool with the tenacity and resources that they need to level the educational playing field for all of our kids, to unite people across faith, to prevent illness and cure disease. Would you invest in that future? Behind our most innovative, disruptive social solutions are talented, passionate leaders. Let's give them what they need to get the job done. We're counting on them. Thank you.